I'm a-going fishing, yes, I'm going fishing, and baby's going fishing too. Little brother about to run me out of my mind, so can't we go fishing with you? Took him down to my favorite fishing hole. What do you think that he did do? He caught a 9-pound catfish, yes, and caught him on the bottom. Took him home, he was real gone. With his pole and his line, he's going fishing.
Crappie and hold on, let me wipe the camera off. They're for crappie, red wig, brims. Hold it up. Bluegill, and it says the shadows are bad. And these don't need refrigeration neither.
And these are green worms.
Yeah, and
let's open them and see what they look like inside.
I checked them in Walmart. They're awesome. Take the little stick and dig them up.
Ew.
Damn,
Look.
Why are they green?
It's weird.
Are those red? Yeah, they're the red wigglers. What? Take it.
Or do they bite?
No.
Are they real crazy?
I think they kind of are crazy. They do dirt everywhere.
Yeah, they went. Hold one flat and
There you go.
he's gonna get lost.
I know.
$3.57 for a cup of these worms.
For green, guys.
And they're really red wigglers. I don't know what they did to make them turn green. Hold it up.
Let's see her digging dirt.
Yeah, they actually put a stick in there where you can dig down and check, make sure they're alive, and they're very active. Hold it, Junior. Can you see them real good?
Mm-hmm.
Hold on. We're gonna try them out and see
how they
are. Here's a couple of them right here.
Yeah, let's go.
Hold on. They are green.
They are
green red wigglers.
Yep. So I hope y'all guys like these worms.
Hold up, Junior. We gotta get a thumbnail shot. Hold it up. Hold the cup up so I can get a. Oh. You lost it right in the edge. Dang, Juju.
That's a big. That was a
big brim.
Caught him way out there.
Big old bluegill. Look like. We should have brought some poles to stand the rods up on.
Looked up, I was like, where the heck's my cord at?
Big one.
Big little junk.
He's a good one. Show him to the camera. Oh, you can throw him back. No, he looked bigger when he was wrapped up in moss. I know that one you caught a while ago was bigger than that. Okay, so I'm gonna try the green worm on the red cork. My other one is a green cork. Let's see what we can do with it. Probably put it in the tree limb. Throw it back that way, Julia. Back that way. Yeah. I just about think these worms been injected with something. I swear I do, because when I baited it, all kind of green stuff ran out of it. It's all over my towel. I'm gonna have to Google it and see. Raw with the green hook, green worm's trying to get a nibble, but I believe it's a baby. Oh, he took the whole worm off. Whatever it was. I'm gonna take that cord off, Julian. I'm gonna try bottom a minute. I know I'm probably gonna get all slime. Just lay it down there. Are you on the bottom?
No.
Oh, when your line starts blowing out like that, you should This is what we caught on the green worm. A piece of bait. We caught one piece of bait with the green worm. Take them off, Julian, throw them back away in the water. Okay, so at least they are bait. They are. God, that wind. Oh, he is beautiful. Hold it up. Now that's a nice one. That's a good one. He's on the green one too, ain't he?
No, this one ain't on the green.
He ain't on the green one?
No.
Alright. Red Wigglers is winning.
Oh no, it's a green one. Never mind.
It is a green one?
It's a green one.
Okay, caught him on a green worm. That's what I thought was on that hook was a green worm, because I told you I put the green worm on the red cork.
Right in the bone.
That's a nice one too.
Not to go nowhere.
You got him in the bone.
Look, a crack.
Okay, so the green worm is winning so far.
I knew that dude didn't fall far from that. From the tree. That's the way he did it the first time, too.
Come on! Junior finally caught one. A big one? Did you get a crappie? I'm starting to get cold. Reason. This wind is awful. This one's got a bite, the middle one.
Dang, something jumped up there as soon as I threw that out, too.
I get Jack out of the hospital tomorrow. I might go to Se7en County down there.
Check me out. Check us out.
After y'all get out of the school, we might go down there to Se7en County to our spot. Got to get Blake some. You got him?
I got him.
Don't let him tangle up in the line. Show him to the camera. And put him back, because he's not big enough to keep. Okay, put him back. He is not big enough to keep. Yeah, it is got a bite on it.
That one's getting a bite.
I got him.
You got him.
He's so tiny. Look how cute and tiny he is. Little teeny thing.
Can I drive him the way out?
Oh my gosh. I hate this green stuff. You got another bite, Julian?
Oh, freaking tree.
Did you get in the tree, Lynn?
Yes. Oh, the grass in right here. I don't call it these 5 fish on the same bait. I just love it when it hits the water.
Alex is catching them down there. I think they're getting so many bites because the water's not very choppy down there. I just don't feel like moving. It's so late. If I move, I'm going to move to the truck. Another little teeny tiny one. in the water,
You
little
watched the
fella.
movie Jackson 5?
Cares about stuff like that. Oh, he says he after it again. Really? I don't know what that is. Can't be a bat. He's over here on the other side of it. Might be a big bat. You want this one or not? No. He's right beside of it, Julian. Right beside of it. It's a fish. I just seen his fins come up out. He's trying to decide whether or not to take that dead minnow. Just wondering why that minnow not trying to run away from him. You don't realize it's been in my freezer 3 months. These frogs sound like they're laughing, don't they? I don't know, Joey. He sure is just swimming around and around it. He hit the cork one time and then he just decided he won't want to mess with it no more. He's right there beside of it again. You see him? Right on the line. You see him? He's all over it. Why don't you put a worm right beside of it, see if he'll hit it?
He might go away when he hears the splash.
I don't think so. I've been seeing him over there twice already. I told you earlier was something big over there. This one was swimming around the hook when I reeled it up.
About to let you go. Yeah, you ain't get back over here. He doesn't want to be in the water. He wants to die.
I put him in the water. He came right back out. This is a real good handling reel right here, rod right here. It's a brand new one. I just got it today out. It's a Zebco rod.
I'll put it right out something's mouth.
And the reel, the 33. Alex got it for me.
Hey, something on your thing?
No, I'm pulling it and trying to show. And it handles real good. I like the grip on it. At first I thought it was not any good. It didn't want to throw out. And it was tangled on the inside. But it throws out really well. I took it apart and untangled it. That's good for a 33. And that's what I like. You know, a canary? Alec Julian, he's swimming all around it over there. I swear if I was you, I believe I'd put a piece of a cork over there with a worm on it. You want to put this small one that I got? You got a bite? Oh, Okay, getting dark.
Right there. Is the camera on?
Yeah.
Okay.
Set all the worms inside that bucket. Julian, put my stuff back, and little tags and stuff back in there that come off this reel, because I still ain't used it enough to know if I'm going to keep it or not. Right? Make sure that everything's not bad wrong with it.
Right.
You're making smushed fish out of those fish.
I'm not even standing on my heels on that stuff.
Hey Alex, look. You see how dark it is and how light this camera's showing, and it ain't got the...
Yeah. Well, I got nighttime thing on it.
This is the old phone. I ain't got my new phone out here. I didn't bring it out here. Get fish on it already, and it has been ringing off of the hook. All right, and start picking them up, Julian. And don't tighten the lines on them so much to where the rods will be in.
Dang, I love how the wind quit blowing.
Look, right there.
Oh, look.
In front of you.
It's right here by this rod. Oh, something ate me.
Yeah, I hate the sound. You put all the worms in one bucket.
Yeah,
I don't want to dump them green worms in there, but you can dump all the other ones in there and then put the night crawlers. No, I want to try to do a little bit of separate fishing with them tomorrow when I come back. You got my phone? Junior. Hand me that hand sanitizer, Alex. Here, June, come close this video out. It's dark and we got to go. We caught not many, but we ain't been here about an hour, so. June, come and close this video out. That's enough. Here, right there. Right here in front. What you got in your mouth?
So guys, we didn't catch many, but me and Alex, like, you're the only ones that really catch anything.
No, Julian caught a nice sized brim. I caught a whole bunch of small ones.
No, I was trying to finish. Like, all the way over there, that farm, me and him were the only people that caught anything. I caught a bass, but it was baby. It was a baby bass. I had to put it back because it's got to be over 12 inches. So.
Was something on it? Really?
We caught like a little small, little brim, but we had to put it back too.
Did you get the cork out? Oh, okay.
I caught like 2 of them.
All right. Tell them it's still cold here.
Yeah, it's really cold. I wish it was hot like fire. So guys, don't y'all get to subscribe, like, hit the notification, and bye.
Going fishing, yes, I'm going fishing, and baby's going fishing too. Little brother about to run me out of my mind, so can we go fishing with you? Took him down to my favorite fishing hole. What do you think that he did do? He caught a 9-pound catfish, yes, he caught him on the bottom. Took him home, he was real gone. With his pole and his line, he's a-going fishing. Yes, a-going fishing, baby going fishing too. Put him in the skillet, mama, put him in the pan. Honey, cook him till he's nice and brown. Whip yourself up some whole wheat cakes. Yeah, eat that sucker on down. Cause a man fish bite if you got good bait. Here's a little tip that I would like to relate. So man, a fish bite if you got good bait. I'm a-going fishing. Yes, I'm going fishing. Baby, going fishing too.